Hey there, viewers. We're back for another daily space weather video, number 1 of 3. And we've seen an M-class flare in the past 24 hours, an uptick in solar activity in general, an increase in the radio flux, a large 6+ magnitude earthquake, and more. Let's blast through it. And thanks for tuning in to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. What we're starting out with here is the colorized magnetogram. We've got multiple sunspots. We've got new sunspots rising over here. All kinds of stuff going on. It's exciting stuff. And some more spectacular imagery of the sun. Here's 94 angstroms, a great wavelength at showing solar flares. So this M-class flare, which occurred yesterday around 1740, I believe it was. There you can see that very bright area there in the north. That is that large M-class flare. So we'll let that play through one time here in slow-mo for you using the SDO browse data. And we like to switch things up every once in a while. There's a great view of that solar flare. Let's take a look at that once again here. So yeah, uptick in solar activity. The radial flux is now up to 110, so it's jumped 11 points here in only a day. There is the 1-year chart of the radial flux. It's this black line. Red line underneath it is a sunspot number. Who's excited about a beefy solar cycle? I certainly am. We do see a little bit of geomagnetic unrest here in the forecast early in the day on, Saturday, March 5th, some geomagnetic unrest expected there. It's from a coronal hole wind stream. I guess not expecting it to be super powerful, the coronal hole wind stream. Speaking of powerful, earthquakes, they've got a lot of power. And we've got a drought here of 7 magnitude type earthquakes going on for about 45 days there, something like that. Half of the 90-day chart there showing up as a 7 magnitude earthquake drought. Largest quake of the past 24 was originally reported as a 6.8. We sent it out to the Smash team as it sent out a UNESCO tsunami alert at smashamash.com/smash team. We even did an email push on that one. It was originally reported as a 6.8, downgraded to a 6.6, located in the Kermadec Trench there, northeast of New Zealand. So there's where it was. It was downgraded to a 6.6 pretty promptly. No complaints about that. I don't know why everybody complains so much about downgrades. You're better off over forecasting and it's more safe to over forecast than to under forecast, right, folks? I mean, of course, this is why meteorologists tend to over forecast snow and rain events and flood events and stuff, because it's better to be on the side of caution, right? So just remember, folks, any earthquake could be a foreshock. And during 7 magnitude earthquake droughts, just be on the lookout. You never know when a disaster could happen. You know, when they ask me if I want to apply my discount cash at the grocery store using my loyalty card, I always tell them to please apply it, because you never know when the world will end, right? So that's just always something. Just kidding, folks. The world's not ending, no matter how much some people are praying for it to end. I understand your reasoning. We implore you to make Earth not suck again. It's up to you, not giant bureaucracies that can't even get out of their own way. So we're just scrolling up the list here. Again, folks, remember, earthquake magnitude 7 drought. Those are the quakes of the past 24. Let's see what's been erupting as far as volcanoes, and we're going to close out this video rather promptly here. Subanosejima is exploding. That's a flight level 060. 6,000-foot ash plume over Subanosejima. Don't pole vault the caldera. Semeru exploding, flight level 260 there. So that's an uptick at Semeru big time. 26,000-foot ash plume over East Java. Sporadic emissions of volcanic ash over Guatemala there, fertilizing the soil from Fuego. Nevado del Ruiz exploding, flight level 200. 20,000-foot ash plume over Nevado del Ruiz. Sangay exploding, flight level 210. Also Revenador in that same nation Significant activity there, flight level 150. It's a 15,000-foot ash plume, as well as a lava flow on the northeast flank remaining active. Also, collapsing parts of the flow generated incandescent avalanches. Not something to be under. Yet another reason to not pole vault the caldera, you could land in lava. Also, Sabancaya not identifiable. Don't assume it's not erupting. Once again, please make Earth not suck again by visiting our links, for example. Then you could pick up some merch and go tell your friends and foes about us. And about how it's up to them, personal responsibility, to make Earth not suck again. We're doing all kinds of stuff at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news to ensure the Earth doesn't suck. Please do the same by picking up some merch, visiting our links. Head to smashomash.com if you haven't. We just made some changes. We actually reduced the amount of stuff on the homepage. And welcome to the Neo Renaissance. Consider becoming a member of the Smash team. It's kind of like Patreon. If you'd like to see the content remain publicly visible, support us by becoming a gold or silver or gold annual paid-up subscriber at smashomash.com/Smash Team. Thanks to everybody who has. May that solar wind be at your back, and I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smashomash. Signing off. From the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.